Okay, so moving to the last part of today, which is also the same thing, revenue recognition, and then view consolidation. But then I will show you another view, and then this view is a little bit tricky, but also very useful in FDD as well. So this view is the sectional view, but then it has the mixture of the month of the fiscal numbers here and then the month number here. So this view is very useful because uh, you have you can substantiate or you can support your fiscal number uh, with the monthly number. So if you want to this one is the most important one. The leading part is the fiscal number. So you only want to see the trend in the fiscal, but then you want to zoom in or you want to see the breakdown in the monthly for each fiscal period, and then you can see the number on the right, more columns here. So this one is very long because it has all the months uh, over all the months over the period. So if you have 30 months in this case, then then you have 30 column plus 4 in here and plus 3 in here. So that's how long the table is. Okay, so the the other view is which is the same thing, but I just shot the view in the other way, and then you can see you can zoom in and then you understand each market or each item with the three earning parameters. Uh, the part here to the very important part here to remember is the month, the year part, the part A here, has the duplicate values. So actually the YTD24 and then the FY24, they have the duplicate or the sharing part, the common part, which is from January to July, to June. And then for the monthly, we don't have the duplicate. So in this case you have to be very careful. In the monthly, you have to exclude the duplicate. Okay, so that's the tricky part for this view. And by this I mean I have to check in here already. So I check in here in part A, which is the fiscal numbers. The sum has to be all those guys, including the YTD24. But in the monthly, you have to exclude the YTD24 because you counted them in here already. This check is very important to make sure that you don't duplicate or you don't double count the monthly number. Okay, the fiscal number you have to double count because you want to compare this part to this part. So or YTD24 to YTD25. That's why you need to add to duplicate the number. Okay, so and you can also see the duplicate in here as well, just in case you want to check the data before you do anything else. Okay, so now you understand the view already, the purpose of the view already, and then you understand the tricky part of this one already. I want you to do the same exercise as before, so to derive the new views and to merge them all together in the master view. Okay, so we do the same thing. I will use the same trick, which is to bring this union in here, because I want to split the or to extend the work stream from this part. Okay, so I select the whole thing from here to here, and then I uh, place my mouse in here, and then Control V, and then place my mouse in here and Control V again. Okay, so I have to so I know that this one is the tedious exercise because you do the same thing again and again. But then the views, those three views, they are very crucial to revenue recognition and quality of earning, examining the quality of earnings in FDD. So I have to introduce them all in the same. Okay, so there you go. So you have this view already, and then uh, you can see the three part. So this one is the view by market. Oh, sorry, I have to change this one before I explain. Otherwise, I will the three view will be the same, all of them. So this one by segment. This one is by. Okay, so I will use top 10 for short. Okay, top customer. Okay, so let me okay, so I forgot to save it before running. As you can see, the star is still here, so you're supposed to save it first and then you run. Otherwise, something wrong with the workflow, then you lose your work. Okay, so this one is by market. Okay, I forgot to change this one to buy. Mm. Okay, so buy market, and then you're done. And then you have by market here, by segment here, and then by uh, uh, top customer here. So all the checks must be must in the part B must be zero, or I mean now in this case. Okay, so after this, I also want you to merge those views together. Okay, so this one, so again, I know my drill already, so I just put this one in the middle of everybody, so everybody will be happy. Okay, and then I will put the sorting in here, and then I will sort by the title first and then by the group, and then for each group. Okay, so hold on, I think I need to sort by the tag or the measure, so earning parameters first, and then in each block or in each parameter I will split them by market and anything else. I will control CP to add the view in here, and then I have the master view. Okay, so there you go. So the master view again. Okay, I have to show you the master view, in which I have the section, and then I have all the numbers in here. Okay, so if you want to copy this view to Excel, you can just right click and copy all the records with the headers, and then this one is the whole thing will be copied to Excel. But then for the big tables with the a lot of rows, then if you copy like this, it will give you headaches, because it will the copying function doesn't work very well. So you have to export the views in Excel, and then you open the Excel copy over. So basically it's just when you copy export to Excel already, and then you just copy to Excel, then it's just the Excel function. So Excel to Excel is very I think everybody will be in the big four, and then accounting, everybody knows how to do it already. Okay, so in order to export, you can do this one. You can go to the output here, and then uh, you connect the master view with the export, and then you can set up the connection. So in this case, because I want to export to Excel, so I select this one, and then I want to export in my project blue here. So I will see output one, uh, cyclic revenue. Uh, okay, so hold on. Revenue recognition, the master cyclic view. Okay, so I know I even put parameters in column, so I know that cyclic view is just the same thing as parameters in columns. So you know that the cell in one columns and then the volume is another column, and then okay. So after this, if you run the workflow again, it will give you in the file here. It will give you the file in here. So it will show you the uh, part in this case is the U drive, and then project 1v1 blue, and this is the output file. If you want to open the output file, if you want to open the folder, because sometimes you open the folder and then you drag the file in your email and then you send the file over. So this is the folder and then this is the file, and then you click on the file, then you can open in Excel. So that's how you export the file in Excel in this case. And if you don't want to export, you just can copy this one for the small table only. For the small table, you can just copy everything from here to Excel, and then you're done.